Ayan ang aming agency, Great Link. Dito sa 932 Yishun Central 1. Yishun Central 1. Ayan, hello guys. Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. For today's video ay panoorin natin itong isang kaibigan ko dito sa agency. Magluluto ng aming pananghalian. Magluto daw siya ng chicken manok. Oh, chicken manok double. Chicken manok with potato with I don't know. Then now she making the ingredients, many ingredients. Just now she cutting the onions and the garlic. Now put the what's that, light sauce. For the chicken potato. It's like adobo. Then she put the I don't know that, kisap manis. then she's looking for the Nescafe to mix. Oh no. Sorry. Wow, speaking Singlish. That one is ketchup manis. That one sweet sauce, right? The other one?
This one is like sauce.
No, the other one, the small butter. The one, the first one, the second one. The small one is small butter.
This one is the
salty. You put Ajinomoto? Don't put, I don't like. Put a bit, no sugar. I thought got sugar. No good. Ajinomoto, no good. Why you use the cover to cover that one? It's not meant for ayay. That one for the kayama. She very good cooking. That's why I want her marry my brother. There, she boil the chicken to remove the smelly thing, fishy smell of the chicken. Then later we throw the water. Then put the ingredients. Put the ingredients there. Mixing. Mixing. We cook first before the agent will come. Then no smell. They're like that. How to taste? Is it how? Okay.
Put this one
More. What's this? What's the? Huh?
salty.
Oh. Yeah. Add some more that one.
Okay. See how later, then put that one.
Add with the light sauce. Yes.
You don't like?
No, I like it. I say you add some more. Yeah, later. And you see, my friend also from Mindanao. She like crazy sitting there watching, I don't know. Then holding, hey, why are you holding your armpit? Now we talking Singlish, right?
I'm not okay.
Why are you not okay? You know sleep? Why you know sleep?
Many problem.
You many problem. No, don't think many problem. Must think positive. Later you get employer already. Everybody get employer today. Then tomorrow we all go off. Right? Tomorrow we go off day.
Mana tao?
Hinihintay pa namin yung ahente namin. Yung agent namin, wala pa sila. Mga 10 siguro, 10:30, nandito na yun. Siguro maraming, sana, ngayong araw maraming employer na bababa dito sa agency para makakuha naman itong isa. At kawawa naman, kailangan ng makapagtrabaho din para sa kinabukasan.
Catherine lagi.
This and also talking. They talk many. Ayan, dito kami sa Yishun Central 1, Block 932. Block 932. Ayan. Tabi po, padaan. Ito naman yung isa, Indonesian din. Bale, dalawa lang kaming Pinay dito. Tapos ako nakakuha na ako ng employer ko. Meron akong employer. Ayan. Meron akong employer. Dito is walang masyadong tao. Parang silent dito. Maybe kasi public holiday kaya tulog pa ang mga tao. Dito lang kami naghihintay ng magiging amo. Malayo yung lodging namin nandun sa Kati. Ayan, check ulit natin yung niluluto ng isa dito.
Mangkarang kan sekarang di grup.
Ay, nagluto din siya ng rice. Tapos pinaababaw niya yung patatas para daw lumambot siya sa kanya. Ihalo dun sa manok mamaya. Ihalo niya sa manok.
Mana lagi makita yang satu lagi itu yang dipikir apa itu. Bikin masalah aku sebenarnya
Maaga kaming nagpunta dito sa sa agency kasi hindi kami pwedeng magingay doon, magkalat doon sa tinutulugan namin. Tulog lang talaga doon. Pag nandun kami lang. Nung bang hindi kami malaya magsalita ng malakas. Sorry. Ramang tawag doon? Ito ang agency namin. Sobra ang init. Ang init ngayon, sobra, grabe. Ayan, basa na yung damit ko. Diyos ko, Diyos mio. Hindi pa namin binuksan yung aircon kasi wala pa yung agent namin. Ayan, ang aming agency, Great Link. Yan siya, ang ganda. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Kasing ganda ko. Char! Nagtatago yung hipag ko. Hi! Say hello to my vlog. It's my vlog, you know. I'm vlogging. Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Hi. Ate, what name?
Jennifer Kumar the vlog. Shout out.
Jennifer Kumar
De vlog.
Vlog.
You speak Bahasa, Ken?
Go. I'm cooking.
Yeah, I taking video, ma, and I put this video cooking put in my YouTube.
Because I have talking. Don't put Because I have talking.
Yeah, we're talking, ma.
No, I have to.
Okay.
Ah.
You're talking.
Don't put this video. Don't put please because I talking.
No, didn't hear that one. Haven't yet. Hindi ko daw ilagay sa aking YouTube nang nagsasalita siya. Hindi naman natin naiintindihan kung anong pinagsasabi niya, di ba?
Ada sahabat tuh di sini udah kenalan.
Ayan, isa din yan.
Temen mulai.
Yan, aso. Alaga niya aso. Magiging alaga niya is aso. Ito, kung ano-ano pinagsasabi niya.
Dia tahu banget aku sakitnya gimana ini.
I say speak English.
No, you know, understand speak English. For you, I speak English.
Tulog. Ayan, dito kami sa Isun Town Center. Ito yan. Dami. Ayan, Great Link. Dito ang aming agency. Ayan, sa mga naghahanap ng agency, ito, dito ako. Ano sila ng Indonesia, Filipino, Myanmar, Indian. Ayan, dito. Yan, ang init. Grabe, oh. It's super init. Yan, block 931 yan. 931 Ganders. Marami din namang kainan dito. Mismong sa baba ng mga ano ng building na ito. Ito is HDB ito. HDB. Ayan. Yan, maglakad-lakad nga ako. At least pa dito sa labas mahangin. Medyo may hangin. Kaysa sa ano. Ayan, Isun MRT, Isun Bus Interchange, HDB Isun Branch Office, Heritage Garden. Oh, may Heritage Garden dito. Kutek Puat Hospital, Isun Pound, HDB Isun Branch Office. Yan. Iba na, ibang bata na. Ganyan lang habang hinihintay namin ang aming agent. Kaya nandito ako sa labas, palakad-lakad, and then nag-ano na rin ako, nag-ako ng video para may upload ako sa aking YouTube. Ayan, sigurado pagpunta ko na dun sa bago kong employer, wala na, hindi na ako makapag YouTube ulit. Ay naku, Diyos ko, Diyos mo, yung hirap. Paano naman ito? Paano naman ang aking channel? Wala nang upload na naman. Mahirap din makipagsapalaran sa ano, yung sa pag-YouTube. Dapat talaga for good ka, tapos mag-focus sa pag-vlog kaysa yung ganito. Kasi siyempre, pagka may amo ka na, bawal ang cellphone, maraming bawal, pinagbabawal nila. Tapos dyan ka pa ma-terminate, terminate nila yung kinakancel yung application mo. As ibabalik ka sa agency, kesyo ganito daw, ganito ka. Yung bang porque pinagsawaan ka na. Nako, grabe mga amo na ganyan. Walang puso. So, tiis lang. At least pinagpala naman tayo ngayon. May nagkaroon tayo agad ng employer. Kahit mahirap, pasukin na. Bahala na. Bahala na si Lord. Ba? Bahala na si Lord na magbigay ng lakas. At isa na namang pagsubok sa buhay ito. At tayong magagawa. At least naka 1 year naman ako doon sa amo ko. Tapos binalik niya ako dito sa agency. And then nakakuha naman agad. Hindi ako nagtagal dito sa agency. Yung iba dito is matagal na sila. Medyo may 2 weeks na dito, may 1 buwan, pero hindi pa na-hire. Kumbaga, pinipili pa nila, kinikilatis. Pero sa akin, gusto ko nang magtrabaho. Ayaw ko yung matingga ako dito. Sa bagay, yung iba kasing nag-interview sa kanila is, marami sila, malaking pamilya. Tapos may aso pa. Tapos itong isa is ang liit niyang babae. Ano naman yun? Diba? Hindi naman pwede yung ganun. Kasi hindi niya kakayanin. Tapos ang gising niya is alas 5 ng umaga. Diyos ko, ang aga-aga. Di po ba? Tapos ngayon ang alaga ko is isang 4 months at saka isang 6 years old. Yung 6 years old is nag-aaral naman. So ihahatid lang and then pagdating ng hapon, susunduin. Tingnan ko pa pagdating ko doon sa kanila kung anong mangyayari. Kung anong schedule, paano ang paghatid at pagsundo kasi may 4 months old pa and then nagtatrabaho pa yung mag-asawa. So sinong maiiwan sa bahay, sinong magbabantay sa isang maliit kung ako'y maghahatid, di po ba? So tingnan lang natin kung paano. Kayang-kaya yan, ako pa. Kayang-kaya yan. Kakayanin para sa pamilya. At mag-e-enroll na yung aking dalaginding, magka-college na. Kaya grinab ko na lang to kahit mahirap. Alam kong mahirap kasi 2 bata. Isang infant at saka isang 6-year-old. Hindi yun madali. Tsaga-tsaga na lang. Sana lang may konsiderasyon ang mag-asawa, yung magiging amo ko na maganda ang kahihinatnan ng lahat. Maganda yung trato nila sa akin as katulong nila. Kasi syempre hindi ganun kadali ang mag-alaga ng 4 months old. Ayan, so tingnan natin kung kumusta na yung niluluto nung isang kasama ko, Indonesian. Ano ko, pinakuluan muna niya, pinakuluan yung manok hanggang sa ano, maluto. Yun, tinanggal yung lasa ba? Kasi malansa. So gusto niya hanggang lumambot daw sa kanya lagyan ng ano, ng ingredients niya. No, chicken. Ayan na, okay na siya. So, use 2 cloth. Later burn you. 2 cloth. Oh my God, you Ayan, ang galing. Oh, ang galing. I told you, remove 2 cloth. Later burn.
Too heavy.
Yeah. Heavy and still boiling. You see? Boiling. Still boiling. Dito kasi wala kaming kalan. So, rice cooker ang pinaglulutuan. Right? We cook rice cooker. No gasol. You know gasol? And tinapon niya yung tubig nung pinakuluan niyang manok. There you go. Hey, you took out from here already. Oh. Okay, ayan, tinanggal na niya yung ano, patatas dito. So, andun na siya. Yan, ang manok. This one is manok, right? It's chicken wings. Yung gitna yan, ng sa pakpak, gitna.
Manok.
Yayamanin ang ulam naming mga aplikante. Dapat lang. Nagbabayad naman kami. Kumbaga ito naman yung bayad ng mga employer na ano sa amin. Kaya dapat masarap ang pagkain namin. Hindi puro sardinas. Hindi porke nasa agency.
Chili, no need cut ya.
No need.
Chili no need cut.
No need. Because later so hot. Then this one, the Gordo one so hot, spicy.
I know the Filipina don't like spicy one.
But I like it spicy.
You like?
Yes, I like it so much. Ayaw mo, diba? Yung maanghang masyado. Okay lang? She said it's okay. Maybe you cut one.
What?
The chili.
Chili?
She says it's okay. Just cut one and then put. Andiyan na si Ma'am Victoria. Yeah. And then you put oil.
Yeah.
Put oil. Then put the garlic and the onions.
Actually need to ginger, but chili.
Yeah, no ginger, right? Don't have there.
No.
Never mind that the chili.
And no. Chili lasa. Put lasa first, very strong. Santan ya.
Naik lagi orang. Kantor dulu. Nanti kalau udah buka kan aku mau ngantuk, nggak boleh
Oy, makapiright ako, oy. Music mo. Ano yan? Sino yung kumakanta dyan? Sino yung kumakanta? Oo. Vlog ko. Makapiright ako.
Nag-vlog ka pala.
Kaya nga, panoorin mo sa YouTube ko. Hindi live, video lang. I-upload ko bukas. Ay, mamayang gabi. Upload ko siya mamayang gabi.
Ay, nag-vlog ka pala?
Oo.
Nakatagod ka ng pera?
Wala pa. Kamo-monetize lang. Pero wala pa yung pin ko. Kasi hindi pa kompleto yung $10.
Mamaya, habang kalakad tayo, sana nag-gabi ka?
Mamaya. Mamayang hapon.
Pagsakay natin yung ay,
Udah, udah hangat niya ang kapek, nabigos mulu. Nggak ada yang ngirim saus.
O, yan ang lutuan namin na rice cooker. Pwede ka nang maggisa-gisa dyan. O, ganyan talaga sa agency. Rice cooker ang lutuan. Walang kalan. No shelling.
Kalau kayak gitu
Ngayon, gigisa niya yung manok.
sesu lah.
you can speak English lah.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I speak English.
You speak English, I speak Philippines.
No. You want me to speak English here? Oh, yeah. You say,
Vlog gak ini kan? Gak
Se-
nyeting aku kan?
Ya nyeting lah orang aku.
I say, I'm vlogging and then you leave your shirt, then can see your small stomach. Hey, sister, say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. How are you, friend?
I'm beautiful.
You ano, video kan? Ano,
Video,
video.
vlog is video.
I'm taking video. You just say hello, my vlog. Hello, my vlog.
Hello my vlog.
Why? What are you doing? Never mind. It's okay. They can watch you from my YouTube channel and then you become artist. No, you walk there. Yeah. See this girl, pretty one.
Excuse me.
You're not excused. Ay, marami pa naman tubig. Ayan, nilalagyan niya. Ito yung...
Sis, come here.
No? Anong tawag dyan?
Come here.
Ang tawag nito?
Your song, come here.
Hello.
Hi, mga sis, come here. Come here, sis, come here.
Show you how to do this one. Air purifier.
Put the water.
Put water. Add some water. Like that.
I pour 25 liter. Put water. Every morning, shake. Every morning. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Sister.
Then on.
Sister.
Okay, enough. I'm beautiful. Okay, enough. I take video that one cooking, ma. There, like that. Put the ingredients, everything in, and then mix one, and then until cook. Then later, I will eat. I smell something so nice, so delicious. It's super delicious.
Not enough water.
Not enough water. Not enough water. Add some, and then let it cook until soft. Then later, I eat already. Then I sleep. Grabe yung sigarilyo. Ang ba?
This one. Add this one.
Yeah, add some. A bit.
And this one. No, put out.
Excited. Excited. She's so
Very
excited.
nice, but not too much water. Wow.
Later dry, right? I thought you want to add.
Add water. Add water.
No, the water
No,
is...
no,
No,
add
put
water.
here.
Put first.
Oh.
Is it just nice, the saltish?
Yeah.
No need to add.
Put little.
Later, 1 spoon.
No. Later down.
Later? Later. Liter? 1 liter ah.
Later.
Later. No
Okay.
later.
I thought it's liter. And then later on, lalagyan niya ng sili. Do you put the chili already?
No.
Not yet ah. Okay.
One
Ah.
or two.
You put? Yeah.
No, cut lah ya.
No, don't cut. You cut only 1.
Huh?
Half. Cut half. That one cut half. Half. Okay, that's all. Enough. Yan. O, diba? O, ganyan, nagluto. Kasi walang luya, so nilagyan namin ng sili. Pero ganyan talaga sila nagluluto. Yung nilalagyan nila ng sili.
Always may sili.
Yan kasi is, pang pasarap din naman yan, yung sili.
Wow. Water to no will dry.
It's okay, that one will dry up. The chicken already cooked, right?
Yeah.
Never mind. That one will dry up later. Don't dry up until so dry. I want gravy. I mix with the rice. I want mix
That's
with the
why
rice.
make more the
Gravy.
Enough, but no so.
Not salty. Add some more rice.
No.
Oh, never mind.
Little
Later.
only, see?
Put some more water.
Yeah.
I want gravy. I want gravy.
I know.
And then mix with the rice, right? Then use hands to eat. So yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Oh.
Yummy.
See?
Instead, chicken good. Rice yummy. Ano yan? Okay, yummy. Oh, wala pa si Ma'am Victoria. Wala pa sila.
Coming ready?
No, don't have yet.
10:30 or
I'm sure it's still sleeping or showering.
No.
Nice. Okay, that's all. We're ready.
Try.
Enough already. No need.
Not same.
Ice cream. Nice. Okay, that's all. The saltish is just nice. It's not saltish. It's not
What's this?
no put soup.
Done.
Okay, done. Okay lah. Okay.
ini kegedean.
Okay.
Put the chili at the bottom.
The chili ready na?
Yeah, put
One
the
more?
bottom. No. Put this one inside there. Inside. So that the chili cook. Cook. Yes, that's it. Put at the bottom. Yes. Then the chili cook.
Okay.
That's all. Okay. Yan na. Cover?
Yeah. Then after off. Then off.
Yeah, just nice. Ma'am Victoria
Yeah.
reach they cook already, right?
Then
Yes.
Be something here lah to let cook. Even cook. Yeah. Let's be here.
No, we tell them na we cook already.
Okay, done.
Cover. Okay, yan tapos na ang pagluluto ng aking sister-in-law to be. This one is my sister-in-law to be. Okay. Get ready, my brother. Next time I bring this lady in the Philippines
To merit your brother.
to marry my brother. Ayan, maraming salamat sa panonood sa aking simpleng video at ayan, ingat po tayo palagi. God bless. At sana pagpalain pagpalain ang bawat isa, lalo na dito sa aking mga kasamahan, na magkaroon din sila ng employer today, then next week deploy. Thank you, Lord. God bless everyone. Ingat po. Bye-bye. See you next vlog.